Evening. How is everyone today? So I am just hopping on very quickly to do our warmer of the week. I might put warmer of the month. Warmer of the week. Warmer of the week. And this week's warmer is a mini warmer for a change. So I have been in the past talking about some of our big warmers, but I thought I'd talk about one of our mini warmers, and this is one of our new mini warmers. This is called Crowned in Gold. How super pretty is this? So this is one of our glass mini warmers, and it's kind of like a blue glass. I don't know how well you can see that. It's kind of blue, but look how kind of almost iridescent it's shining so gorgeously, and it's got kind of geometric shapes on it. I don't know if you can see that very well. Let me see how close I can get it. There's like geometric shapes on that. It is just flipping gorgeous, and then crowned in gold, because if you look at the top, it's got like a gold ring all the way around it. Now the super cool thing about our mini warmers is you can obviously plug them directly into the wall like that, pop some wax in the top, turn it on, and away you go, instant fragrance. Or I'm going to show you it on in a second. You can simply unscrew, or if they're glass, you unscrew them. If it's a ceramic mini warmer, slightly different mechanism, but you just take it off, take the shade off, and then you can pop it onto what's called a tabletop base. So I'm going to just screw this into the tabletop base, as simple as that. Oh, I've screwed it in slightly wobbly. Ooh, can't get it straight. Okay, we'll go with it like that. It will sit straight. I've just put it on slightly wonky, but this is just to show you, it might affect the camera for a second, how pretty it looks when it's on. Now, I don't know how well you can see that, but how beautiful is that when it's turned on? Look, gorgeous. Can you see? Beautiful colour shining through there, that gold top. So this exactly the same with the tabletop. Literally, once it's on, you turn it on, pop your wax in, that will melt away and create our gorgeous fragrance. But it is such a pretty warmer. So that is, let me turn it off. There we go. You can see again how gorgeous it looks. I'm going to pop it back onto the mini warmer base. So that is, without dropping that on the floor, our crowned in gold. So you just need to make sure when you're putting them on that you have got it on level. So that is our crowned in gold mini warmer. So that is our warm of the week this time. There we go. Absolutely flipping love it. It is so pretty, Ruth. Hi darling, how are you? So pretty. So I was just showing it on, so you perhaps have to watch back. I showed it on a tabletop base, but it is absolutely gorgeous. You'll see it in real life at the party. Looking forward to that. So there we go, our crowned in gold. As a mini warmer, it's £24. If you have it as a tabletop, obviously that on there. If you have it as a tabletop base, they're £36. Okay, so there we go. Warm of the week, crowned in gold. Love it. I'll speak to you all soon. Take care, guys. Mwah. Loads of love. Bye.